Okay, well, we take strays from off the street when we have officers out there that pick them up, and then the public picks them up and brings them into us. We hold them here for 7 days if they don't have information, owner information. After the 7 days, if the owner hasn't come in to claim them, then they go available for adoption. And then we do adoption events like we're doing today. Today our adoption event, and it has been for the whole week. It's anything that's available, any dogs that are available, they're $50, and we pay to spay or neuter and give them their microchip and their rabies shot and their 5-in-1. That all comes in $50. All of our cats are on special for $20 right now, and that includes their spay or neuter and their microchip and their first vaccines.
Cleaning, mopping, sometimes feeding the animals, but we're not allowed to touch them at all. So they don't want us getting hurt, but only they're allowed to touch me. But I have to be here 2 days a week, Saturday and Sunday, every week, you know, until I finish it.
My name is Roland. This is our daughter, Leilani. We come here from time to time to look at the animals. We have adopted here in the past, so it's been good to us in the past. So we would try and we would hope to get repeat business.
We have 2 dogs. One has cancer,
We just found out she had cancer yesterday.
and we have a puppy who's
Attached to her.
5 months. So we're trying to find a friend for him because she's not the old one from the last one.
Yeah, so we're looking to see, we kind of want a small dog, not a real big dog, because it's a lot of work with 2 big dogs.
We are here to re-up our dog license. We had a notice on our door that said, hey, are your dogs licensed or are they not licensed? If not, then we need to take care of it. We have a chocolate lab who's ancient. He's on his last leg. And then I know, but he's a sweetheart. And then we have a golden retriever, Boomer and Chai.
Oh, wow.